Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable smooth transitions on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here, now click settings and now click shut settings, and here you will find it on animation settings, and now here you will find enable smooth transitions. Just click on it like this and it will be disabled. And that's it for today. That's how to disable smooth transitions easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.